Hi everybody, welcome back. We have an unboxing. And we have something that I actually talked about in the things that I want to buy back in my collection. So don't forward. If you can guess without forwarding, put in the comment section right now what do you think this is. It is pretty big. It is something that kind of like surprised and not really sure what I'm gonna do with it right now, but let me tell you the story once we unveil it. So if you know. Okay. Oh, vachetta. I got myself the bucket bag from Louis Vuitton. This is the Petite Noe Bag. Oh my gosh. I actually have been thinking about this for a while. I decided to pull the trigger before my first quarantine. So girls been buying a few bags. Okay, this was even before the price increase. I was going back and forth with my essay to say whether I want it, I don't want it, I want to want it, I don't want it. I'm actually kind of glad that it's still with me. Alright, let me just get into this bag. This is the Petite Noe bucket bag, and this is my first repurchased item. In my entire collection, I have never repurchased any bag. Oh, I'm sweating a little bit. And this is my first ever repurchased bag. There are a few bags in my sold collection that I'm very interested in buying back. This is one of them, my Elma BB is one of them, my Trendy is one of them, and my Gabrielle, that's not really buy back, that's like buy a different size. Now, why did I decide to go back for this? So a few reasons. Number one, I got it before the price increase, and this is still in a very good price point for LV. It's even below 2,000. I think I bought it at 1,008 Singapore dollars, so it's still a really good price for what a huge bag that it is, with all the leather and all the trimmings and all. The second thing is that it's so iconic that I actually really like this design. When I bought it the first time a few years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, I actually absolutely love this bag. However, after using it for like 2 weeks, the part that came off, okay, this buckle that came off, the strings unraveled and it snapped off, and I was really upset with it, and I brought it back to LV and I actually exchanged the bag. But I didn't exchange the bag out of dislike for this bag. I actually really loved it. I didn't give it enough of a chance to be in my collection. In fact, if you look at my very first picture on my Instagram, it is this bag, and I loved it so much. Now, it is a very big bag, and I know with the pandemic and everything, with a lot of vachetta and everything, you know, it's not the best to be carrying around right now, but I actually don't mind it, because I'm not afraid of vachetta. Like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna show you one bag that I have been using so much. This is my Palermo bag. I absolutely love this bag, but I'm not bringing it up close because it is really nasty. The handles are just so hard, and the vachetta is really brown, but I'm not really concerned with it being brown. It's a bit hard because I was trying to wipe it and everything. I am using it like my gym bag right now. I actually really love this design. I wish they would come out again. It comes with the zip, and it's a great travel bag. And this is my second, is it my second bag? Yeah, this is my second LV bag, and I've had this for so long. I do have a bag organizer already. This is from Zumoni. It was sent to me, and let me just try to use it with this. I don't actually know if I want to use it with a bag organizer, but let's just try. Oh, that's kind of nice. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Pink color. It will keep the shape, and then just, you know, tie it in. I just tied it in. I had to take out the bag organizer because I wanted to show you how much you can tie it. However, if I put the bag organizer, I probably can't squish it in so much. I have been watching a few videos of the Petite Noe. The one that I think influenced me the most is Tiffany from LV Coffee Lover. She has this bag and she absolutely loves it. Maybe watching her video, I just got even more and more inclined to repurchase it. Really glad that I got it before the price increase. So I am going to probably figure out how to tie that knot again. I used to have my Boswell backpack, which allowed me to pull the bag up and down. So yeah, I am very happy with this. It is a big bag, okay? I am a big bag girl, but not like super big bag. I'm moderate size bag girl. I'm okay with bags this size because I do like to carry a few extra things, and I do like my mini bags as well. So anyway, we like all kinds of size. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I have one more thing inside here. In addition to this, because I was watching LV Coffee Lover's bag, I actually got this as well, and I think it would go really nicely with this bag. So this is the Petite Matisse Hobo strap, which I think is the one that she is using for her bag. And I can actually hook it here. I can hook it on a few of my bags too, but yeah, I can probably... Oh, I can hook it here. It's a little bit too short, isn't it? Let me see. I might need to get some hook extenders, and then I can just carry it on my shoulder or on my hand. I think so. What do you think? Right now, it's got empty and all that, but at least now I have two options. I could carry like this or with a top handle. Doesn't look so nice. Let me just tidy it up. So yeah, this is how it will look like with this strap. I think it will be pretty nice to carry like this as well. What do you think? And yeah, I think it will go under my arm. I probably need to get like 2 ring extenders right here. I think Tiffany talked about ring extenders for her bag as well, which might be pretty useful. But yeah, so the bag looks like this. I'm just following her style. I think this would be a very good piece to add to this bag. I know I'm supposed to let this like sun so that it will get a little bit more brown or honey color. If any of you have advice on how to do this, I think I need to ask Amy. Like she said that if I put it outside, I'm not really sure. I probably need to ask her so that I can figure it out. Because when I first got my older bags like this, I just used it straight away. I didn't even bother about, sunning it, giving it a suntan or letting it, get a little bit more honey color. I just used it straight away, which might not be the best idea because this is like raw leather. So I do want it to have a bit of protection. So maybe I need to put it outside for a while, hang it somewhere where it's there's a little bit of humidity. This is my first ever repurchase bag, and I am actually really happy with it, and I'm very excited to use it right after I get it all tanned a little bit. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!